So I'm not going to keep you long today. I've got some leftover roast chicken. What I like to do with it is turn it into this. We're going to turn a bit of leftover stuff into a lovely lunch. So pasta, chicken, mayo, salad, chuck what you're liking. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, so there's my leftover chicken, bit of roast chicken, cold. It's got a bit of skin on it, I don't mind that. Got it, pulled it off the bone, chopped it up into small pieces. Pasta, you can use any pasta you want. I'm going to use this penne, but you can use a different shape if you want, fusilli or something like that. So maybe what I've got there, 3 cups of chicken, 4-5 cups of pasta. You can play around with that amount as well. A cup of mayo, maybe tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice there. And then I've got cucumber, tomato, onion, cut really nice and small, and I've got some sweet corn there. Now you can use anything you want. You can stick some mushrooms in there, some grated carrots, up to you, whatever you've got. Teaspoon of chopped garlic and a fresh herb. A fresh herb in it is always great. I'm using mint today, but you know, cilantro, parsley, up to you, whatever you have, basil. Salt, pepper, all in the bowl, mix it up, job done. Okay, the pasta's in, the chicken's going in. Bit of salt, bit of black pepper. If you want, put a bit of paprika in there or a bit of chili powder, something like that. A tiny amount of garlic. The corn, the onion, all cut nice and small, you know. Tomato, cucumber, fresh herb, using mint, delicious. A little bit of lemon. Then the mayo, in it goes. Now I don't like it swimming in mayo. I just like a nice smooth coating of it. So you can work that out yourself, can't you? Mix it, done. All right, and that's it. Just put a bit of fresh mint on the top, a little sprinkle of chili powder just to make it look a bit more sexy. We've turned a bit of old rubbish chicken, a bit of throwaway chicken, leftover stuff, into a lovely, lovely next day lunch. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.